like a Hellcat.
Hello friends. Remember, you only have control over 3 things in your life. The thoughts you think, the images you imagine or visualize, and the action you take. And all these 3 things define your personality and your future. Of course, your present. Present is always something on which you can work on. So if you feel at present there are things which you want to change so that you change your future, you have to work on these 3 things, that is your thoughts, your imagination, and the action you are going to take. Now, how to do it? We all know that these 3 things are there in our hand, and if we work on it, we can change our future. But we always are confused how to work on it. Now, together with this, I would like to discuss a special thing which you have, which control all the actions, all the thoughts, and all the imaginations which there in us. Remember, we have 2 different kinds of different working of our mind. One is said to be conscious mind and other one is subconscious mind. The power which these 2 minds have is somewhere around, you can say more than 80% power is there with your subconscious mind, and your conscious mind has hardly 20% power. You might feel it is unbelievable because most of the time we are working using our conscious mind. Conscious mind works with all the reasoning, the facts, whereas subconscious mind keeps the details and it keeps working when you actually are not doing something. But how does it work? It works according to the feeding which we have already done. For example, for us, if we keep thinking that I cannot do anything, suppose I cannot talk in front of people. Now that thought will keep you always away from doing it because your subconscious mind is fed with the information that you can never talk in public with people. Now who has given that thought? It is no one else, it is your own thought which you have kept in your subconscious mind, which will always take you away from taking the step. Even if you want to do it, you won't be able to because that subconscious instruction is always there that you won't be able to do it. So you don't want to try it. Now how to change it? Remember, feed your mind with everything which you actually want to do. Don't feed it with any negativity. I'll give you the example. For example, there is a hot iron kept. You will consciously never go and touch it, isn't it? But by chance, unconsciously, if you happen to touch it, immediately your hand will be removed. Now, are you doing it consciously? No. That subconscious mind is taking immediate action before your conscious mind takes action. So that is the power of subconscious mind. It knows how to react in a particular situation based on the feeding or based on the data you have already provided. So try to put everything positive in your subconscious mind because that keeps working even when you are sleeping. So if your negativity is kept on is in work when you are not even working, you are sleeping, it means your negativity, content of negativity is increasing. So try to put all the positive thoughts in your subconscious mind every time. When you are praying, when you are free, think of everything positive. I am going to win of all my challenges. Keep a list of things which you feel you are not able to do it and keep continuing talking in your mind that I will be able to do it. I know I can do it. And with your conscious mind, keep working on it. But subconscious mind should always be confident that you are going to do it. you will find a change in your personality, because when you are trying to doing something, your subconscious mind will motivate you. Yes, you are going to do it. It is your power, it is in your reach. And then slowly it will change your thought, the way you visualize yourself, and then it will affect your actions positively. So I would request everyone, try to keep changing these 3 things if you want to achieve success in your life, if you want to win over all the challenges of your life. So friends, I would like to revise the 3 important points for you. Number 1, work on your thoughts. Number 2, change the way you visualize yourself. And number 3, start taking the action to become what you actually want to. Move towards your own imagination. Take steps to become what you want. And all these things should be fed to your subconscious mind, which is going to keep pushing you every time to work towards your goal. This will surely help in transform your personality. Namaskar. At the end, I would like to request everyone to kindly like, share and subscribe my channel and help me to bring more good videos and good concepts for you. If you wish to get any new topic of your choice, kindly comment. Thank you.